I'm Ronald Flores, the Chief Executing Officer and founder of Flores & System. Our business purpose is about providing farmers with regenerative solutions, whether that be large-scale agriculture for cereals or legumes, but also dynamic agroforestry. Another side of our business is offering turnkey solutions for gourmet and medicinal mushroom growing at large scale. And also, the last offer is offering farmers the access to high quality carbon markets. We design and deploy transition programs from conventional agriculture to actual regenerative agriculture. In other words, we are taking the whole microbiological science inside your agronomical operations. Also, we transfer all the operational tools so you develop the maximum self-autonomy for your regenerative and agronomical operations.